Kittitas County commissioners met last night to hear public comment on a proposed sales tax that would help fund treatment for mental health and substance abuse. The sheriff's office told KVU's Emily Goodell that funding would go a long way towards dealing with the surge in overdose deaths and suicides the community's been facing for years.
Kittitas County is dealing with an unprecedented mental health and substance abuse problem.
We think it's a mix of the conditions, a year of the pandemic and all kinds of quarantines didn't help people, a lot of isolation.
Law enforcement say new police reform laws enacted this year have made it even harder to get people to the help they need.
We go to a scene and we realize this person needs mental health treatment. And the designated crisis responder says, yes, we know that person needs mental health treatment and we need you to take them into custody. And we physically can't do it.
Officials say the county lacks the resources and funding to help the people who need it most.
6 overdose deaths in a less than 3-month period. We had a young person commit suicide. We know that our resources are strained.
That's why commissioners are taking steps toward enacting a sales and use tax to help fund treatment and prevention programs. One that would cost people about 10 cents on a $100 purchase. The decision has been met with support from law enforcement, healthcare workers, and the community.
I feel very strongly that we need to enact this tax. I'm also a Republican that doesn't like taxes, but as I look at this situation and what's happening in the community, the way a community responds to its needs tells you what the community is.
Commissioners have directed staff to draft an ordinance that would enact the mental health tax for the next 6 years. In Kittitas County, Emily Goodell, KVU Local News.
Thank you, Emily. Well, commissioners had voted this spring to put the issue on the ballot, but instead decided to move forward and take a final vote at their next meeting on December 21st.